Hey guys, it's Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to talk about iodine facts. There's a very interesting mineral. It's a trace mineral. Trace minerals are minerals that are needed in smaller amounts, okay? So 30% of the body iodine is stored in the thyroid gland, okay? The thyroid gland concentrates iodine, and it uses iodine to make its hormones. So when you see T4 and T3, 3 and 4 represent the number of iodine molecules in that hormone. T4 is an inactive form of thyroid, and then T3 is the active form of thyroid, and it's converted through the liver and the kidney. Okay, so 70% greater amount of iodine is in the salivary glands. It's in the breasts. It's in the ovaries, the stomach lining, the eyes, the cerebral spinal fluid. It's in the Substantia nigra. That's in a part of your brain. So it's not just necessarily in the thyroid. So iodine is important in many different things. In preventing fibrocystic breast, I mean, this is like the easiest thing to get rid of. If you give someone iodine, I mean, that stuff just goes right away. Cysts on the ovaries. So the female reproductive organs need iodine. Iodine tends to lower estrogen in the body. It actually converts estradiol to estriol, the good estrogen. So that's pretty cool. So if there's an estrogen dominant situation, you would want to take sea kelp or iodine. So with the stomach lining, the eyes, even in the eyes, if you're deficient in iodine, you can actually get little tumors in the eye. Cerebral spinal fluid, Parkinson's and Substantia nigra if you're deficient in iodine, Parkinson's. So there's a lot of different other health problems that are related to iodine. But the body doesn't necessarily store iodine. It basically, 90% of it goes through your kidneys and you get rid of it. So you have to constantly get it in the diet, which is not easy because unless you're doing sea kelp or seafood, or you're buying food that is from a shoreline by the ocean, you're not going to get a lot of iodine because of the soils are so depleted. So it also is made to make the thyroid hormones. We talked about that. Convert estrogen, rids heavy metals. So when people take iodine or sea kelp and they get a reaction, instantly they think that it's an allergy, but not necessarily all the time. The reaction could be the detoxification of heavy metals or chemicals like bromine, chloride, and fluoride. So because iodine is a detoxifier, you can have a little bit of a reaction where it might be even worsening the skin or the cystic acne or whatever, but only for 1 week, and then those go away. What I would do if you had a reaction, I would cut down the dosage, or actually I wouldn't take it all, wait for that to clear up, and then take small amounts gradually over time, because if you stop it, it's like it's starting to work, and then you could have actually gotten some really good results from it. Instead, you stop taking it and you're not going to get the benefit. So just realize that. Go slow with iodine or sea kelp if you're going to take that. But it does get rid of heavy metals and it can create a reaction. Iodine is really good for cystic acne though, too. So a lot of people are trying to get rid of that. Also, it helps insulin resistance, which is very interesting. We have a lot of videos on that. Iodine is necessary in the improvement of insulin resistance because it makes glucose more sensitive to the body. Also, it helps cold feet. Now, if you have cold feet, that can be a thyroid issue, and you would want to take sea kelp to fix that. So I put a link down below of a very high quality sea kelp if you wanted to find one. But I wanted to give you some information about iodine, and it's not just about the thyroid, it's about the entire body. So thanks for watching.